Hey, let's take a look at this identity here. I'm not wanting to do the least common denominator with the tangent and the cotangent. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create complex fractions and go from there. Tangent is 1 minus, and we'll have sine on top of cosine, creating a complex fraction that I'll take care of by multiplying top and bottom by cosine. Plus, here I have sine over 1 minus cotangent, which I'll rewrite as cosine over sine. And I'll do something similar to this complex fraction. I'll multiply top and bottom here by sine. Okay, so the first fraction, everything by cosine. Cosine with cosine. Cosine with the bottom, with the 1. And then with the fraction that has a cosine on the bottom. Something similar. Sine with the sine. And sine with the 1 and the fraction on the bottom will leave me with this right here. You see these two denominators? They are not that much alike. These denominators are opposites. So I'm going to keep the first one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out a negative 1 on the bottom, which would rewrite it as a positive cosine and then a minus a sine. I have to put that negative 1 somewhere that I factored. I'm going to put it up here on top. Now that the denominators are the same, now that the denominators are the same, I can combine these into a single fraction. Plus minus will be minus, and that little rascal there is factorable. So I'll factor the top. It's a nice difference of squares. All that's over. And I'll cancel the like grouping. And that was our target.